Mari loves you. Mwah, mwah.
It's your boy K Money.
So that's her name?
It's your girl.
No, it's your girl.
Today we're just gonna be doing the mukbang. This is my second.
We
His
got
second video, so you make sure y'all like
and then we got the chicken rice. So let's
chicken
get
rice.
straight into
Right,
it.
right.
Oh, we need
so we
water.
got our
We need our
trays,
water.
and we also have an egg roll.
Karani the bucket. Whatever this thing's called. That's mine, boy. Who you think you was about to steal my
Yeah,
stuff?
somebody got two.
No, they don't. He just didn't get one.
So we got that's the stuff to get all the food out.
Mariana, you're not in
She doing something.
I know, because I got to get my food. Well, I'm eating. They ain't going to see me eat.
y'all getting your own stuff.
They don't
We gotta
got to see
use
you
this
eat.
thing. We gotta use
So
this
what we
thing.
going to talk about? Y'all want me to go get my phone for some questions?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's talk about life.
So now y'all can talk about whatever. Somebody put some on my plate.
At least you gave me some.
You gonna reach over me, bro? Watch out, Caroline. I can't even see, boy. See that? See when you on your
This is my god. This is my god sister. But we basically.
She the irritating one. Let's let y'all know.
She the littlest. I'm the second littlest. She the first littlest.
I'm the third little one.
Okay, so we tried to ask us questions on Instagram.
We did?
But, well, I did.
We need to see your sauce up.
Go get it,
Right here.
It's
mad.
Then now it's time for me to smash on the chicken.
Wait.
Lily don't eat
over my
that chicken.
food, bro.
Where's my fork?
You ate all your Buffalo Wild Wings yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure you got a few open against you.
Why would you can't do that?
I was working. Oh. Goody.
Okay, Kenny.
By the way, today is his birthday.
No, it's not.
Yesterday was his birthday, but we still celebrate all the way until tomorrow. We just went to the movies today. And that movie was funny. That little girl crazy.
Little. We have to go see it with her.
Yeah.
I want to go see us.
Yeah, but people be so scared.
People, that's mad.
Everybody I want to go with be scared.
Okay, y'all ready to eat? Can you give me another?
Yeah, I gotta get my.
Can I get my sweet and sour sauce?
Can you give me another soy sauce?
Lily, what that sweet and sour sauce you had? You said you used half of your egg roll.
I used it.
The whole thing?
Mm-hmm.
She was half on her egg.
Well, Kenny don't got one.
And then I put the rest on mine.
Kenny, you mad? You mad?
It's some. Ain't there some soy sauce in it? Okay. Okay, let's just.
No, the
Mommy,
soy
get your
sour
food.
and I told y'all to make my plate, but hell with sweet. Or put your own chicken on top of your rice.
Right.
And
You
then
still
let
gotta
it-
get some orange.
chicken. I know. And there should be some more left when we done eating.
Right, put your sack.
Some more rice.
This is my first time. Can why you rip up the top? Not Chinese food, but this.
By that
Orange
place
chicken.
or on chicken.
This chicken too.
This orange chicken.
Who wants the lemon?
Jalea, this is good. Me. I want that lemon.
I'm looking for the scissors.
Jalea, you need to taste this. At least taste a piece.
I want to taste this. Okay,
Bad.
I already know it tastes. So I really don't care.
I'm not
Who took
eating
the lemon?
that.
I was gonna eat that.
Caroline,
Chicken.
I mean,
Oh, no, man, I can't have it.
You got it.
Can we answer some questions now?
right.
That was so good.
Okay. Want me to eat it so bad?
Was it good?
Duh, I eat orange chicken.
You don't like orange chicken. You just said you don't like orange chicken.
I eat it sometimes, but I don't like it like that.
That's what you should say.
Everybody's dripping right here.
That's not different, man.
That's got the best drip over here.
You and my girlfriend. And guess you got the best drip. Them two sisters. Shut up.
He said we do, I think. You said we don't.
I said, y'all two sisters got the second best drip.
Ah.
Bro. Thanks a lot. Let's ask our age. Okay. Starting off with you, Julia. How old are you?
9.
When is your birthday?
That's too much information. No, don't say
No,
the date
not.
of birth.
How
I
old
don't
are
gotta
you?
say 2009.
Flipping.
That ain't the day. That is not the date of her birth. And I'm dead serious. I ain't
March
trying to say that for the
25th.
camera.
That's my birthday. March 25th.
The day of birth, too much information.
Right.
How old are you?
10.
9.
And y'all know his birthday.
April 11th.
April 11th.
Bro, I'm gonna go get the scissors.
Right, thank you.
Look.
Yesterday was a ball for his birthday. We went out to Buffalo Wild Wings.
Yeah, it was fun.
And then we...
And then they asked the girls for their digits. That was so funny.
I walked up to her. I said, "Can I get your digit?" And he walked up to another girl. He dared me to do it.
Our sister. Remember that? Remember that one girl?
Ow.
Ray called Lexi his sister.
That's not his sister.
He just act like it because she crazy. I
Big
didn't say
facts.
that, but okay.
Jeez.
Next
Give me them
question.
scissors.
They right there.
We gonna cut this.
Next question.
Okay.
One day we are going to do the pause challenge.
We gonna do it tonight, so make sure y'all check that video out too, cause tonight we doing a pause challenge.
And I'm about to pause.
And I will upload, and
I'm his uploader.
yeah, he uploads all my videos. Well, this is only my second video, so.
I haven't saw him in a long time. He been having business. He called it.
Business. Absolute
Okay.
business.
The first question was, I'm gonna do the first question because
Are you hot?
Shut up.
Yeah, of course.
I'm the hardest person in my school. So stop all that.
No.
I'm the freshest man on my earth.
Yeah.
In my school.
To me, yeah.
Are you rich? No. I'm medium.
I mean, no.
I'm medium.
We got money. We
got money,
We
but-
decent. We decent.
We gonna be straight.
We not like young thugs.
We ain't rich. We don't got all that money.
Yeah.
We don't
Are you
flex.
in love?
No.
Comment.
No.
No
Well, I
comment.
am.
No comment. Girl, stop calling me
Who's that?
Danielle. When do y'all talk to them? Thank you. I don't want to talk to them. They doing too much. That's probably Junior. They always call me. Okay, do you like coffee? Yeah, coffee bad.
Yes. Okay. Your dream.
Vacation.
My dream vacation is to go to Hawaii.
Hollywood and Hawaii.
Hollywood.
Mexico.
Hollywood and Miami.
Okay, the next one.
I
Who
went to
do
Los
you
Angeles.
truly love?
No comment.
No comment.
My girlfriend.
Family. But no comment on other than that.
My girlfriend and my family. Of course.
He's spilling the tea.
Right, you should say no comment. Last movie you watched? We just watched Little.
Like, actually.
We just like came back. And
Exactly.
Right. And we did this mukbang for you guys.
We came back like about 30 minutes ago.
What sport do you play? Basketball and cheerleading. And just let y'all know I'm be on TV for the NBA draft. NFL draft.
Just let y'all know I'm be in the NFL. Y'all gonna see me run that ball.
Y'all gonna see me.
He play basketball.
He play basketball and football. I play basketball.
what up, boy? We gonna play ball shoot tomorrow. That's my funny. That he going.
What's up, Jonas? You want some rice?
No. He did that.
You want some food?
I'm almost done.
Alright, eat some pizza then.
You see my pizza? Oh.
Alright, let me do one.
Boy,
What novels do you read?
what are we eating now?
What?
Y'all see, right?
Chinese
Chinese
food.
rice and
What is your favorite pet? A dog.
dog.
Dog. What TV show do you like? Oh, this is a movie called All American.
Wow.
That's my TV.
Who is your best friend? Y'all skip that. Who is your best friend? My best friend name is.
Say what's up, Daddy.
What's up?
My best friend.
My YouTube channel, by the way.
My best friend is Anna.
I don't got no best friend, but I got a brother. That's a fact.
Anna.
This a true brother.
Tanaya.
This a true brother right here. He a true.
My best friend is Anna, Tanaya, and
What TV show
Giselle.
do you like?
This
This is a movie called All American.
Y'all skipping everything. What novels do you read? I read.
Alright, I'm gonna go throw my food away.
He wants to get that gummy.
You can give.
I did. I don't know.
That's
You
ugly.
about to get that gummy? I got that gummy.
What novels do you read? I read what's that book called?
Don't put no elbow in my food. Like it's crazy.
I read Stargirl. Love Stargirl.
Huh?
What is your favorite pet? My favorite pet is the zebra. I mean a dog.
We already
I
passed
have a
that.
dog named JB. No, it's a new pet. Like your pet. Where is your best friend? My best friend at home. Why?
Right, man, your business.
Right, it's not your business.
What TV show do you like? So, I'm sure y'all heard of
my
it.
shoe.
But my favorite TV show is On My Block. Y'all need to watch that. Like, period.
Get up.
On My Block? No, boy, you gotta watch it.
Yes,
On My Block is so
That stuff
lit.
fire, bro.
I mean, that's too good. Y'all can't, y'all capping.
No, you captain.
And then I like All American. I'm starting my series.
I go. No, you what?
What are you watching now? Nothing.
If y'all can see, we're making a video.
What do you put onto bed?
What? Pajamas. Draws.
Me too.
Y'all don't need to know.
Or I put on my shorts.
I put on.
But I got somebody's
shorts.
boots that I'm about to cut up.
Don't cut my shoes, King.
Don't cut them. She can keep them. So when we go out and play,
I wish you would.
you need some shoes, Lily. You need for the daddy-daughter dance.
Come on, man. I gotta sweep this floor. I thought you was choking.
Hey, bro, look. Hey, y'all better stay tuned for this next video. It's about to be fire. The pole challenge. Hold on.
Hey, this gonna be 2 people.
This video
With the
got-
fucking Patron.
I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell
Ring the ding.
ding.
You dig what I'm saying? Subscribe, comment, and wait till the next video. We're doing teams for the pause challenge.
Stay
Stay tuned for that. Oh,
Stay
damn.
Scotty, you did.